Jagan Kumar is not on the grid. Starting with P1 is Rajiv Setu from Chennai. P2 Jagan from TVS Racing is not on the grid. That's a 30-second board out. This is a formation lap. This is a formation lap. The riders are now on the formation lap. So while the riders finish their warm-up lap and come back to the grid, let me go through the grid position quickly. On P1, pole position is Rajiv Setu, the race 1 winner from Ineos Honda Erula Racing. And on P2 is Jagan Kumar from TVS Racing. On P3 is Matan Kumar, again from Ineos Erula Honda Racing team. And on P4 is Senthil Kumar. And on P4 is KY Ahmed. And on P5 is Kannan. And on starting the row number 3 is Sharad Kumar from team RSC Castrol Power Racing team. And on P7 is Kevin Kannan, again from RSCR Castrol Power team. And on P9 is Venkatesan. The fourth row is started by John, Anand Krishnan and Selvam. And on the fifth row is Karthikeyan, Santosh and Anand R. The riders are now completed half track. They are on the warm-up lap. To all the viewers who have just joined in, we are at MRF MMSA FMSA Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2020. So this Pro Stock 165cc race 2. The grid position is as per the finishing order of race 1 that concluded yesterday. We have 4 races for the weekend. For the National Championship races. And this is the first race of the day. The riders now coming towards the bridge complex. The riders move slowly to take their grid position. The riders now moving towards the grid. Since P2 Jagan is not on the grid, he must be taking a pit lane start. We do not have information right now. We will update as and when we get that. Right now, the first row would be started by Rajiv Setu and Matan Kumar. The lights are on and the race is on. The race has started and that's a good start by Rajiv Setu while the riders are moving towards turn 1. On the lead is Rajiv Setu as the riders move turn 2 are followed by Matan. And on the third place is Senthil. The first race of the day, the Pro Stock up to 165cc open category race 2. The riders now complete turn 3 and move towards the back straight for turn 4, and we still see the leader is Rajiv Setu there. By the end of the straight, the sector 1 comes up and the sector 2 starts. So at the end of sector 1, it's Rajiv Setu, Matan and Senthil in the top 3 position. On the 4th position is KY Ahmed, and on the 5th position is Kannan S. The riders are now on the rear side of the back taking the big sweep and moving towards the back straight, and the leader continues to be Rajiv Setu followed by Matan and Senthil on the 3rd place. No, there is a change in the 3rd place. Looks like KY Ahmed has moved up to 3rd place. KY Ahmed doing a move from the inside and he's overtaken Matan and Rajiv Setu. At Anand's corner, KY Ahmed does a move on Rajiv Setu and Matan and is now on first position. KY Ahmed now of TVS Racing leading the pack. And on the second place is Matan. And on third place is Rajiv Setu. The riders now come into the bridge corner, led by KY Ahmed of TVS Racing, followed by Matan. And on the third place is Rajiv Setu. The riders now finish the first lap of the race, led by KY Ahmed of TVS Racing. Okay, I think at the start-finish line, Matan has taken over. Now Matan is leading the race, followed by KY Ahmed and Rajiv Setu on the third place. The riders now move towards turn 2 and there is a change. KY Ahmed takes the lead and Rajiv Setu passes Matan as well. So as we watch, it's KY Ahmed, Rajiv Setu and Matan on the lead. The riders now move towards the back straight towards turn 4, and as we see on our monitors, it's KY Ahmed leading the race, and a close battle there for the top 3 position in the lap 2. We see a move there by Matan from the inside. No, KY Ahmed holds on to his position. Matan Kumar on second position, and on third place is Rajiv Setu. KY Ahmed represents TVS Racing. Matan and Rajiv Setu represent Ineos Honda Erula Racing Team. And as the riders move on the big sweep on the race side of the track, it's KY Ahmed leading. Matan trying to make a move from the inside. KY Ahmed holds on to his position. And as they come on the back straight, it's KY Ahmed leading, followed by Matan and Rajiv Setu. It's a very close battle for the top 3 positions here. As the rider comes to the fast left-hander to the end of Sector 2 and start of Sector 3, it's KY Ahmed leading the race, followed by Matan and Rajiv. So it's a very close battle fought with less than 200 milliseconds difference. And it's KY Ahmed leading the race as the riders come towards the right-hander of the bridge corner, followed by Matan and Rajiv on the third place there. And this pack is getting separated from the rest of the bunch, and the leading bunch is now ahead by at least 2 seconds, and it's KY Ahmed leading the race at the end of lap 2, followed by Matan and Rajiv Setu. And Matan does a move at turn 1, and it's Matan now leading over KY Ahmed, and on third position is Rajiv Setu. And leading the second bunch of riders is Sharad Kumar from RACR Castrol Power Team, followed by Senthil Kumar and Kannan S. The leaders now move from turn 3 towards the straight, and on the lead is Matan Kumar of Ineos Erula Honda Racing Team, followed by KY Ahmed and Rajiv Setu. I see a change of position at turn 4. Looks like KY Ahmed has taken the lead. It's a complete dicing situation. Turn after turn, there is a change in position. So we'll have to wait as we see ahead at... Oh, we see Jagan here at post 2. Probably the bike had some issue at the sighting lap while he was exiting the pits. So that's Jagan at post number 2. Right, coming back to the race, it's KY Ahmed leading as the riders move into Sector 2. We see it's KY Ahmed leading, followed by Matan and Rajiv Setu. It's a very close battle. The top 3 riders are separated by 0.3 seconds. That's KY Ahmed leading the race now as they take a fast left-hander, followed by Matan and Rajiv Setu on third place. KY Ahmed coming in there towards the S corners, and at the left-hander, Matan tries to make a move on KY Ahmed but isn't succeeding, and it's KY Ahmed leading on the right-hander entering the bridge complex. As the riders get down the bridge complex, KY Ahmed leading, followed by Matan Kumar and Rajiv Setu in third place. The riders now coming onto the home straight. As they cross the start-finish line, it's KY Ahmed leading, followed by Rajiv Setu and Matan. And at turn 1, again, Matan does a move on KY Ahmed and is successful in taking up the first position. And on the second place, it's Keva Ahmed, and on third place is Rajiv Setu. On the fourth place, there's another battle happening between Senthil Kumar Kannan and Sharad Kumar for the fourth place. Similar to the first three riders on the bunch, one fighting for the first, second and third position. There's a close fight for the fourth and fifth position between Senthil and Kannan. The leaders move on towards turn 4. The pack is led by Keva Ahmed, followed by Matan Kumar and Rajiv Setu on the third place. There's another shift again between turn 1 to turn 4. The race is getting very interesting here, with the riders changing position at every corner. Viewers, I would like to remind this category has 3 manufacturers participating. That is Honda, TVS and Yamaha. These are the 3 manufactured bikes that's been used. And right while the riders come to the fast left-hander, it's Keva Ahmed who does a move on Matan, and Keva Ahmed moves to first position, followed by Matan and Rajiv Setu. Rajiv Setu has been very cautiously on at the third place, probably waiting for a chance to make a move on both riders. That's a very close battle there, and Keva Ahmed still leads as they come towards the left-hander, towards the bridge complex, and Matan on second. The riders now move towards the bridge complex led by Keva Ahmed. The riders now enter into the penultimate lap, and Keva Ahmed Matan does a move on the last turn. Keva Ahmed takes back his position. Keva Ahmed now leading the race, very closely followed by Matan and Rajiv Setu. Viewers, as you see on your screen, it's a very close battle between Matan on bike number 46 and Keva Ahmed on bike number 33 and Rajiv Setu on bike number 80. Rajiv tries to make a move on Keva Ahmed but holds on to his position at third place, and as the leaders pass through turn 3, it's Matan followed by Keva Ahmed, and on third place is Rajiv Setu. It can be anyone's race here. The leading pack are fighting corner after corner, changing their position. On the race side of the bunch, for the fourth and the fifth place, the fight is between Senthil and Kannan. Sharad there on the sixth position, all alone there. Not much of fight there, and the leading bunch now moves from turn 4 towards turn 5. As the riders move towards the back sweep, it's Keva Ahmed leading, followed by Matan, and on third place is Rajiv Setu. For the viewers watching there, the bike with a dark blue, that's TVS Racing bike, Keva Ahmed on bike number 33. On 46, Matan, now currently leading the race, is from Ineos Erula Honda Racing Team, and Rajiv Setu on the third place, again from Ineos Erula Honda Racing Team. Sandwich between both of them is Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing on bike number 33. The riders now coming into sector 3 as they move towards the left-hander of the bridge complex. Matan leads the pack, followed by Keva Ahmed and Rajiv Setu. Very close battle here. The riders now enter onto the bridge complex. This time it's led by Matan Kumar of Ineos Erula Racing. No fight at the last corner. It's Keva Ahmed in second and Rajiv Setu at third place, and the riders move on the start-finish line, continuing the position. It's Matan leading, and Rajiv Setu tries to make a move on Keva Ahmed at turn 1. No, not successful, and Matan continues to lead the race, followed by Keva Ahmed and Rajiv Setu. Matan trying to move away from the pack, but not really far enough. The riders are right behind him, and on the fourth and fifth place, the fight is between Kannan and Senthil Kumar, led by Kannan S. That was Karthik R on your screen, bike number 28. The leaders now move towards the turn 4, led by Matan Kumar, followed by Keva Ahmed and Rajiv Setu. That's a close battle between the 3 riders, led by Matan Kumar of Ineos Erula Honda Racing Team, followed by Keva Ahmed of TVS Racing, and on third place is Rajiv Setu, again from Ineos Erula Honda Racing Team. The riders now finish the back sweep and coming. Viewers, remember, this is the last lap, so there could be there would be a very close battle in the last two corners as the riders come onto the back straight. It's Rajiv Setu who does a move on Matan and Keva Ahmed, and it's Rajiv Setu leading the race right now as they move on to, as they end the sector 2 and move to sector 3. It's Rajiv Setu leading, followed by Keva Ahmed and Matan on third place. Matan moves away from the pack, trying to break away and overtake. No, he fails, and Keva Ahmed does a move from the inside at a left-hander, and yes, he's successful, and Matan also overtakes Rajiv Setu. Matan trying to overtake Keva Ahmed, no, sticks on to second place, and it's a close battle between Keva Ahmed and Matan Kumar as they get down the bridge complex towards the last corner, and Keva Ahmed now taking the last corner, followed by Matan and Rajiv Setu at third place. Let's wait for the finish line, and it's a close battle. It was a close battle. It was a photo finish. It was Keva Ahmed followed by Matan Kumar, and on third place is Rajiv Setu. A very well fought, clean racing by all the three experienced riders, Keva Ahmed, Matan Kumar and Rajiv Setu. On the fourth place was Kannan S, and on fifth place is Senthil Kumar. A well-deserved victory for Keva Ahmed, and well fought by the other two riders as well. It was a clean race by all the 14 riders, and the riders are now finishing up, taking the checkered flag. The riders are now on their victory lap. That was the race winner, Keva Ahmed, followed by Matan Kumar and Rajiv Setu. Unfortunate that Jagan could not take the start. I'm sure we will wait for the next race. Okay, that's on your screen. Keva Ahmed giving a lift for his teammate Jagan. Right, guys, right, viewers, on your screen you could see Marshal Post now waving all colors of flags. That's to denote their happiness and denote the end of the race. Viewers, we have to remember these marshals come at least 2 hours before the race start. They come in, prepare their marshal post with all equipments, right from sweepers, brushes, fire extinguishers, their radio equipments, and water for themselves. These marshals stay on till the last, maybe even 30 minutes after the last race goes through. Kudos to all the marshals here at Madras Motorsports racetrack who've come this early morning to help the organizers in running this event successfully. They are the first to come onto the track, and they are the last to go. Thank you, marshals. Thank you for your service. While the riders come onto the start, park for me, I would move the mic towards our Palani, who's at the park for me, to interview the riders. Over to you, Palani.
It was a fantastic race from the beginning till last, very fighting with them. So I enjoyed the race a lot. I am very happy with the win. I am so proud of my team, and also they really work hard day and night. So amazing bike. I would like thanks to my team, TVS Racing, and crew members. Thank you.
Race was very good, but little bit I make one mistake. That's why I lose my winning position. So maybe I try next race. I will try more effect to win the race. So thanks to my team, Inio Honda Irla Racing.
It was a very good race till the waiting to make a move, but so it was not a day. We have more two races. I'll try harder and I'll make a good strategy for the next race. Thanks to my team Ineos Honda Irula Racing, and thanks to all my technicians and engineers. Thank you.